So assembly and installation of the DRO server. So we've got all of our pieces out of the case here. Gateway, core switch, goodie bag of cables, server, backup drives, and the mouse pad. So we're going to take all of our various cables out here. Each these guys get a power cable. So the first step is to find a secure location to set all this equipment up. Typically this is going to be behind the DST area, or there might be a specific room that it gets set up in because the network cabling is run to a central location. So we're going to take the core switch, which is the larger of the gray boxes here, and place it in that location we've decided on. And then we're going to go ahead and take the gateway, which is a smaller gray box, and we're going to go ahead and place that right on top of it. Then our yellow Cat5 cable here is going to represent our connectivity source. That could be a third party, a Viasat. That's going to connect to WAN 1 on the gateway device. Then the short Cat5 cable is going to plug into LAN 1 on the gateway, and then plug into port 1 on the switch, which is essentially right below. So you got those connected there. Then we're going to take our power cables and plug them into the back side of both the gateway and the switch. And then plug those into a power source. The power source needs to be relatively secure and hopefully a circuit that other devices are not using, and you'll typically will place tape over them so they're not as easily removed from the device. You'll hear that they do make some noise. Both devices do have fans on them, and then they're going to initiate their startup process, which can take 2 to 3 minutes or more. Once they've completed their startup process, you'll see a square blue light on both of them that will stay on. And once they've completed that step, you can move on to setting up the actual server.